Welcome to the foyer.
Wow.
Wow. Holy moly. The drama's there.
Yeah.
Look at this light. Look at these Veluxes. Look at that architecture. Look at the sky.
And of course, the portrait by Mitch.
So that's
Wow.
a portrait of Harry and Tash that Mitch did.
It's a really modest entranceway, and then, hello.
Yeah, absolutely.
Neil was impressed by the new Viridian glass.
It is absolutely beautiful, with a real traditional 20s design in there.
Oh, great.
Darren said with this height, it's very hard to paint well, and it certainly shows in your house today.
It does, yeah.
I understand why it's not perfect, but it isn't.
I'm guessing Mitch and Mark must have painted that as, Harry, your painting's been spot on for weeks now. Yeah. What Darren did love is the tall pendant chandelier you chose, very 1920s.
It's sort of like a Queen Shayna Blaze crown. You just stand underneath it and you look luminous.
And there was even more impact once the judges arrived at the stairwell.
You're looking up that way. I'm looking here, how it just explodes out here.
Okay, but come and stand here and look this way.
Oh, wow.
The impact generated by the architecture is very dramatic. Neil agreed, but he thinks some of the choices you made to decorate it were leaving him a little flat.
I mean, I find this runner, for example, very bland.
All it needs is that runner to go all the way
Yep.
to there, but be a rich, vibrant colour.
Yes.
The impact you were hoping for, however, was back once they opened up the beautiful joinery door.
Oh, yay!
There you go,
Look
Shayna
at
Blaze.
that.
Oh! Oh, it keeps going around the corner.
This is a really great space for your house, very functional and adds significant value to your home. Shayna thinks this space is large enough that it could function as a parent's hidey hole.
You could just have your cheese platter sitting there on the floor, grab a wine, close the door. No, you can't get me. Should we go up the stairs?
Yeah, let's do.
Because I do love the sense of just timber here.
I just wanna shine like the sun when it comes up. Run the city from the rooftop.
The feeling when you reach the top is spectacular. But Neil was still underwhelmed. He thinks the artwork should have been something going the other way.
Taking my eye up to the ceiling and not taking it horizontally.
And he thinks the pendant light is dated and somewhat generic. As much as Darren liked the shears providing privacy during the daytime,
But at night, that is going to be see-through.
but as a transition of spaces connecting your house together, it is very successful.
But you know there's one more room we've got to do.
The laundry.
The laundry.
Oh.
Oh, goodness me.
Hurt was so deep, it's taken so long to say. You got me on my knees, down and praying, hoping that you'll take me to a place somewhere there's no more pain.
Our storage queen, Shayna, was looking for somewhere to put the ironing board, broom, and thought that was definitely an omission.
Isn't it funny? That's the one thing that always gets overlooked, where you put
Always.
your broom, your ironing board, all those things.
Darren, however, thinks the spaces you have delivered this week will come with a big reward at auction. It's just that he thinks you're selling the spaces short.
That the decoration could even add more drama,
Far more.
more impact, more emotional potential to grab a buyer.
It just needs that little bit of stamp of energy.
Neil knows just how tough this week is on the block, and he didn't want to come across as a bad cop today, but he was expecting a bit more from you.
Well, I accept that this house ticks so many boxes in terms of sort of natural drama. It's not enough for me today.
But I will tell you this, even though it wasn't part of judging today, they were mightily impressed that you got the upstairs bathroom redone in Hell Week. Good job. No extra points for that, but that's it. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, look, it's been a real stressful week. I was quite surprised with the judges' comments.